Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two portable gas grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Traveler Compact. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. Both seem decent. What are you planning on using it for?
Mostly camping and maybe some tailgating. I want something easy to transport.
Okay, well, the Weber is definitely designed for portability. It's specifically made to fit in a compact car trunk and has this cool one-handed folding mechanism. It weighs 49 pounds.
That sounds convenient, but the Nexgrill says it's only 28.7 pounds. That's a big difference.
True, the Nexgrill lighter. It's more of a tabletop design, though. It doesn't have the integrated stand and wheels like the Weber, so it depends if you want something you can easily roll around. The Nexgrill also has easy lift handles.
Good point. What about cooking space? I'm usually cooking for about 4 people.
The Weber says it can cook up to 12 burgers or 15 sausages, which is enough for 4 people. The Nexgrill has 263 square inches of cooking space. Technically, it should be enough for 4 too.
Okay, size seems comparable. What about power?
The Nexgrill boasts 13,500 BTUs with 2 burners. The Weber doesn't explicitly state the BTU output, which is kind of annoying. I'd guess it's lower since it only has 1 burner.
So the Nexgrill might heat up faster?
Possibly. But the Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known for great heat retention and searing. The Nexgrill also has cast iron, so both should be good for searing.
What about features?
The Nexgrill has a 2-in-1 griddle and grill, which is a nice bonus. Also, it has a built-in temperature gauge. The Weber has a side table, which could be convenient.
What about price?
The Nexgrill is significantly cheaper, around $180. The Weber is closer to $300.
Wow, big difference. So Nexgrill is lighter, cheaper, and has more BTUs, but the Weber has the integrated stand and wheels for easier transport.
Exactly. And Weber is a well-known brand, so that might be a factor too. It really depends on what you prioritize.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.